Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, उम्मीद है कि आप ठीक होंगे। आज मैं बात करने वाला हूँ नैब ऑर्डिनेंस 1999 से रिलेटेड MCQs का पार्ट 7। क्वेश्चन नंबर 101, सेक्शन 22 of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 empowers dash to inquire or investigate any offence under the ordinance. Option A, Chairman NAB. Option B, any authorized officer. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 102. Section 22B of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with investigation by Chairman NAB in conjunction with option A, any other agency, option B, any person, option C, both A and B, option D, a specified in agency. The right answer is both A and B. Question number 103. Section 23 of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 declare transfer of case property. Option A, void. Option B, voidable. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option A, void. Question number 104. Any person who transfers or creates a change on property in contravention of subsection A of section 23 of the National Accountability Ordinance shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to option A 2 years, option B 3 years, option C 5 years, option D none of above. The right answer is option B 3 years. Question number 105. Section dash of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with arrest. Option A 23A, option B 23B, option C 24, option D all of above. The right answer is option C 24. Question number 106. As per section 24A, dash shall have the power at any stage of inquiry or investigation under the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 to direct that the accused, if not already arrested, shall be arrested. Option A, Chairman NAB. Option B, Prosecutor General Accountability. Option C, Accountability Court. Option D, none of above. The right answer is Chairman NAB. Option A. Question number 107. No member of Provisional Assembly shall be arrested without taking into consideration the recommendation of option A, Special Parliamentary Committee on Ethics, option B, Special Committee of the Provisional Assembly on Ethics, option C, both A and B, option D, none of above. The right answer is option A. The right answer is option B, Special Committee of the Provisional Assembly on Ethics. Question number 108. As per section 24A of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999, the Special Committee of the Provisional Assembly on Ethics consists chairman and dash members. Option A 6, option B 8, option C 10, option D A. The right answer is option B 8. Question number 109. Section 25 of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with voluntarily return of assets by option A, accused, Option B, police. Option C, NAB. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option A, accused. Question number 110. Section 25A of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 empowers dash to discourage the accused. Option A, Prosecutor General. Option B, Chairman NAB. Option C, Accountability Court. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option B, Chairman NAB. थैंक यू गाइज, ये थी पार्ट 7 से रिलेटेड की वीडियो। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कर दें, सजेशन के लिए कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा, साथ ही बेल आइकन को क्लिक करना भी ना भूलिएगा। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़, थैंक यू।